Imagine walking into a conference room filled with the latest technology, where collaboration and productivity know no bounds. A space where ideas flourish and innovation is within reach. This is the future of meetings, and it's being driven by cutting-edge interactive whiteboards like the Smartboard 75, a dual-system wonder that seamlessly integrates Android 14 and Windows 11 Pro. For too long, businesses and professionals have struggled with the limitations of traditional presentation tools. Inefficient workflow, clunky user interfaces, and outdated software have held us back, hindering the pace of innovation and progress. But with the Smartboard 75, all that changes. This revolutionary all-in-one smart whiteboard is specifically designed to tackle the challenges of modern meetings and collaboration. Let's start with the first impression. Upon unboxing the Smartboard 75, you'll be immediately struck by its sleek and premium design. The 75-inch touchscreen display boasts stunning visuals, rich colors, and crystal-clear clarity. The sturdy build quality exudes a sense of durability, suggesting a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The device's smooth and responsive touchscreen interface is remarkably intuitive, making it easy to navigate and interact with the various features. The Smartboard 75's true magic lies in its dual-system capabilities. This high-performance whiteboard seamlessly combines the power of Android 14 with the robust capabilities of Windows 11 Pro. Enjoy faster boot speeds, lower latency, and seamless multitasking for enhanced presentation, design, and live collaboration experiences. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between devices or operating systems, as both Android and Windows applications can run side by side, streamlining your workflow. With Android 14 as the brain behind the operation, you'll have full access to Google's EDLA, education learning apps, certification, unlocking a wealth of educational and productivity tools, including Google Classroom, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. Paired with the 8 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, this setup provides ample horsepower for complex tasks, ensuring a smooth and lag-free experience. One of the standout features of the Smartboard 75 is its Google EDLA certification. This official recognition not only grants you access to a vast library of educational apps, but also ensures compatibility with a wide range of tools and devices, fostering seamless collaboration between colleagues and students. To put the Smartboard 75 to the test, we ran it through rigorous real-world scenarios to see how it handles the demands of everyday meetings and presentations. We were impressed by its performance across various tasks, from smooth video playback to effortless application switching. The dual-system setup allowed us to work on multiple projects simultaneously, with Windows 11 Pro handling complex tasks like video editing, while Android 14 took care of presentations and data analysis. While the Smartboard 75 shines in its performance, there are, however, a few trade-offs to consider. One drawback is the relatively high price point, which may be a barrier to entry for smaller businesses or individuals. Another potential concern is the software compatibility, as some users may encounter issues with running certain applications on the dual-system setup. In the realm of interactive whiteboards, there are several competitors vying for attention, including the Smartboard 800i and the Epson EF D455L. While these alternatives offer similar features, the Smartboard 75 holds its ground with its impressive performance, robust software support, and sleek design. So, is the Smartboard 75 the ultimate game changer for your meetings and collaboration? With its seamless dual-system setup, cutting-edge performance, and intuitive interface, we wholeheartedly say yes. The only question is, are you ready to elevate your meetings to the next level? Whether you're a business leader, educator, or innovator, the Smartboard 75 is an investment worth considering. To experience the revolution firsthand, visit your local supplier or dealer today and uncover the full potential of this remarkable smart whiteboard.